Students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. I am your English teacher. I am Shagufta Makbool. Please open this book of Read Now, Reading Comprehension Language Skills. You are seeing what are they doing? They are fishing. They want to catch a fish. They are using correct ways to catch fish. To catch fish, we can catch a fish after using this string. And when we want to catch a fish, we can use this net. Okay students, open page number 50. This is a new lesson, a new way to fish. In this lesson, a fox is telling a new way to fish. We can catch fish after using these ways. So in this lesson, there is a fox who is telling a new way. After reading, we will come to know what is the new way to catch a fish. Let's start reading. One very cold day in winter, a large brown fox met a sly fox. The fox was carrying a big string of fish which he had stolen. "My goodness," said the bear, "what a lovely catch. I am very fond of fish. Where did you get them?" "I caught them in the river," replied the fox. "Where did you think I caught them from? They don't grow on trees." Okay students, in this paragraph, you are listening. This is a very cold day in winter. A brown bear, this is a brown bear, met a sly fox, met a cunning fox, met a clever fox. A fox that want to get something by tricking others. So when the bear saw the fish was holding a big string of fish, so he started to talk to the fox that he was very fond of fish. He is very fond of fish. So the fox was asking to him, "Where did you get them?" So the fox tried to make fun of him. "I caught them in the river. You know, they don't grow on trees." In this sentence, the fox is making fun of the bear. After listening, the bear is saying, "I know that," growled the bear. "I have been fishing for years, but never caught so many. I thought I knew all the best places around here. If I tell you, you will keep it a secret?" asked the fox. "Of course I will," replied the bear. "You can trust me. I have a new way of fishing," said the fox. Okay students, after listening this, when the fox was saying the fish don't grow on the trees, the bear is giving reply to him. "I know," growled the bear, growl mean to make a low rough sound, usually in anger. The bear is saying that he knows that we can catch fish from the river. So I am living here for many years, but I didn't find the best place around here to catch fish." At this time, fox is saying, "I am telling you, you don't have to need to tell to anyone. You will have to keep it a secret. Secret means you will not tell to anyone." So at this time, now fish is telling to the fox a new way to catch a fish. "I don't try to catch fish with my paws as you do." It's mean I have a new way of fishing, said the fox. "I don't try to catch fish with my paws as you do. I use my brains and I always get as many as I want." How do you do it?" asked the bear. At this time, fox is telling a new way to catch a fish. The fox is saying that he don't use paws like you. He don't use paws like you. He uses brains to catch fish. Now that what is the new way to catch fish? Look at here. If you want a big catch, said the fox, here is what you must do. Go down to the river late at night and make a hole in the ice. Stick your tail down into the water and keep it there as long as you can. When the fish bite, you must not mind if your tail hurts a little at sunrise. Pull up your tail and you will find dozens of fish hanging onto it. The fox is very clever at this time. She is telling a new way to catch a fish. She said to the bear, she is telling, look at here, go to the river at night and make a hole in the ice and pull your tail in the ice. Stick your tail down into the water and you will have to sit all the night, and you don't need to stand. You will have to sit like this way. You know, this is a cold day in winter. So the bear was very fond of fish. That is why he is sitting like this way. The bear wants to catch fish. So the fox was saying, you will have to stand at sunrise, and when the sun rises, you will have to pull the tail. Let's start. That very night, the bear did as the fox had told him. He made a hole in the ice and stuck his tail down into the water. The more his tail hurt, the more fish he thought he had caught. When morning came, the bear gave his tail a pull. Nothing happened. He gave another pull. He gave another pull. His tail didn't move. In a rage, he gave a very hard pull. There was a loud crack and he was free. No, the bear went to the river. He sat like this way the whole night. When the sun rises, he pulled his tail. But nothing happened. It was a period of extreme anger. In a rage mean a period of extreme anger, because he is sitting like this way. He is sitting like this way. Next one. He was sitting like this way according to the instruction of the fox. The bear turned around to see how many fish he had caught. Not a fish was to be seen. Instead, he saw a part of his tail still stuck in the ice. The bear knew then that the fox had played a trick on him. He looked at his tail. Instead of a nice long one, he now had a short stumpy one. The fox was very lucky that he didn't meet the bear again for a long time. When the bear pulled his tail, he didn't find any fish. So he came to know that fish was playing a trick. So at this time, he had a short stumpy tail because half of his tail remained in the ice when he was pulling, at this time, so he had a short stumpy tail. The fox was very lucky because he didn't meet the bear again for a long time. Okay students, read this lesson, A New Way to Fish. Page number 50, you will have to read page number 50 of this lesson. After reading this lesson, you will have to learn and write dictation words. Prepare page like this way. Prepare page of literature like this way. Topic dictation. First word is carrying, second is caught, third is string, and fourth is replied. You will have to learn and write these 4 dictation words that are written here. You are seeing that are written here. Like this way you can see. If you are, after watching this video, if you are feeling any difficulty, you can discuss with me. Thank you so much.